Hello there, kia ora, and welcome. Today I'm putting this replacement mirror on my car. Now previously I had a wee bit of an incident. Bugger. I did have plans to repair it and use the same mirror. However, that happened to the mirror part of it, and that's non bueno. No good. So instead, I got this replacement one from Garage 5. Sure, Benny. So it's got a little bit of like sun fade, sun damage. So I'm going to scuff it up, clean it with some acetone, give it a wee clear coat, and then pop it on the car. Mosquito. Alright, now it's prepped. I'm gonna tape up the bit so I don't want any clear coat on it, and then give it a wee spray. Alright, I've got it all masked up and ready to spray, so let's get into it. Okay, time for the second coat. And I've just read, not suitable for automotive use. That's all I got, so it'll have to do. Third coat. It's a little bit hoary, but it'll be fine. It'll match the rest of the paint on the MX5, which is not great. Kinda rangy as well. While I'm waiting for the mirror to dry, I'm gonna get on to the next mod, which is this bad boy. I've got a new steering wheel. It's Mad Mike, baby! It's Mad Mike NRG collab Mad Mike Motorsport racing wheel. It's got some dish, which is good considering if I put my shoulder right back, there's a bit of a gap between my wrist and the steering wheel. So a little more dish will do me good. The original MX5 steering wheel is a Momo. So it's already got this set up here, which I think will bolt right in. No need for a boss kit on this one. So I've got the mirror off the clothesline and it's nice and dry. I'll just quickly get all this masking tape off and then whack her on the car and then we're done. And there we have it, the freshly clear coated mirror. It's a 10-footer, that's for sure. Doesn't look too bad on the camera, but in real life you can see a couple of the defects, but hey, that's alright. And the piece de resistance for today, the Mad Mike steering wheel. It looks pretty sweet in there, you know, black on black on black. Makes the gear knob pop a little bit. Yeah, good stuff. So I'm just going to go for a cruise and test out the new mods. So I've just gone for a wee drive out to Cable Bay, and the steering wheel is awesome. It feels great in the hands, the nice suede feeling. There's some divots in the back of it which make you real grip on. You can really just whoo it in. But yeah, anyway, this is my cockpit view. Just big old sun blur. And my little mirror, it's back. You don't realise how much you miss a wing mirror until you've lost it. So good. one even better. Yeah, boy. So, thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. And see you later. Hooroo!